Hey everyone, it's Ashley and I'm here with the third part in a series of Dollar Tree DIY tutorials. In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to make these super cute kitchen containers. If you're enjoying these video tutorials, make sure to hit that notification bell to not miss the rest of the series. For this DIY, you will need 2 Dollar Tree food containers, blue vinyl, and transfer tape. For lasting results, use permanent vinyl as it makes it more resistant to water. To start, click on the link in the project in the description box. I will also have a link up on my Pinterest Cricut projects page. Make sure that you have Cricut Design Space already installed on your computer or tablet and that your machine has about 12 inches in front and behind it for the mat to move freely. Once you click on the link, it will pop open the project information within Cricut's Design Space. This project has been specifically designed to fit Dollar Tree food storage containers. I used oval and round storage. The first step is to click the green box in the bottom right corner called Make It. Since I preset the sizes, we can jump right into cutting with our Cricut machines. On the left-hand side of the screen, you should see one black mat with the word Cut next to it, since we're going to cut instead of draw. Make sure that the mat size says 12 by 12. In the center of the screen are the words we're going to cut out. On the bottom right-hand side of the screen, click on the green button that says Continue. This will take us to the screen where we choose which materials we're working with. You should see a list of materials commonly used with Cricut machines. You can click on Popular or Browse All Materials if you can't see them already displayed. We are going to set the material to vinyl. The next step is to load the tool in the machine and the mat with the vinyl. Side A is for using drawing utensils and side B is for cutting or scoring tools. For this project, check the machine on side B to make sure that the fine point blade is loaded. Then, once you have secured it into the machine, we will load our vinyl onto the mat. The machine will have a button that looks like an arrow flashing to indicate that it is ready to load. To load your mat, ensure it is clean. You can use a lint roller to remove any hair or lint. Line your blue vinyl up on the ruler lines of the mat. Keep the vinyl backing on the vinyl for now. Arrange the vinyl aligned with the ruler lines on the top and sides and press it down smoothly. Now we are ready to feed the vinyl into the Cricut machine. Make sure that it runs underneath the tabs on either side by the rollers. Then press the arrow button on the machine. This will load the mat into the machine for cutting. Then the Cricut symbol will flash. This indicates it's ready to cut or draw. Click on it to get started. Take out the mat and roll the mat away from the project to remove it. This will keep your materials from wrinkling. Take your scissors and cut around the outside of the word. The extra vinyl can be saved for future use. The screen within Design Studio should show a check mark next to the top mat showing that we've completed cutting out the project. Press the green Finish button on the bottom right-hand side of the screen. Now it's time for the fun. We're going to start by weeding the extra vinyl away from the words. This means to remove any unwanted vinyl from the design. Start by peeling the vinyl away from the backing on a corner. We want to make sure that the word stays on the backing, but that the rest is removed. Working with small lettering can be difficult, so take your time and use Cricut weeding tools if you need a finer point. Make sure to remove any excess vinyl from inside the letters as well. The next step is to take a piece of transfer tape and we're going to cut it out to fit approximately the same size as each of the words. Remove the backing paper away from the transfer tape. Lay the tape on top of the vinyl word, then use a scraper tool or your hands to apply firm pressure. This helps the transfer tape to adhere to the vinyl. Turn the vinyl sheet over and carefully peel the back of the vinyl paper away from the vinyl itself. Now we're ready to apply the design. Center the word on the lid of the container. The longer word is for the oval container and the shorter word is for the round one. Here, I'm showing you the process of application on my Dollar Tree lemon cutting board DIY. If you'd like to create that one as well, check the link on the video. Make sure to apply pressure evenly for the word to adhere, then slowly peel it away from the surface. When it's all complete, now you have food storage that is both functional and beautiful. I just wanted to say thank you so much for your support of this tutorial series. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't, like if you enjoyed the video, and hit that notification bell for more in this 5-part series. I'll be back with another DIY soon.